Dear engineers, welcome to Veda Gate Academy and welcome to the world of opportunities. Here is the topic today in Logic Gates, an important session to speak about negative logic, which is most familiar and most frequently raised in many competitive examinations like engineering services, DRDO, ISRO, GATE, and even in the many other technical personal interviews ever. Let us see the topic and how to analyze that, solve the question. Thank you. Topic DLD, subject DLD, topic logic gates, and here the question is negative logic of capital alphabet A. Negative logic of capital alphabet A, the question here. And the options given here are choice A inversion, choice B, A, choice C, 0 or 1, choice D, cannot be defined, and choice E, I'm going to give you 5 options, none of the above. And the question here is negative logic of capital alphabet A, and the options are A bar, A, 0 or 1, cannot be defined, and none of the above. And when I pose this question in many classrooms and in many sessions, almost thousands of the people, 90+% used to reply the answer as A bar. Yes, 90% replies used to go as A bar. Failing under negative logic means inversion. Under what impression students used to answer A bar? Now let me explain. And whether the answer given A bar is correct or not, let me take some time to explain. But first of all, let me explain why 90% of the people for this question thinks answer as A bar. Negative logic is inversion. Under the impression of negative logic means inversion. With examples, variable is A, inversion is A bar. If it is A bar, it is A. If it is AND, inversion is NAND. If it is NAND, inversion is AND. If it is OR, inversion is NOR. And if it is NOR, inversion is OR. And if it is exclusive OR, inversion is XNOR. And if it is XNOR, inversion is XOR. And if it is 0, inversion is 1. And if it is 1, the inversion is 0. Keeping this logic under the view, applying inversion to the variable A, many have answered option is A bar. But the right answer is something different, but definitely not A bar. Because the meaning of negative logic is something different than what we applied here. Now, let us see the real meaning of negative logic. The meaning of negative logic is negative logic is, yes, it is inversion. Not only to the output, but also to each input level. If I apply this formula, let us see how these logics will act in negative. We have AND logic here. Is it not this the AND gate? And it is A, it is B, output Y is AB. Now, let me draw negative AND. Negative AND. According to the definition, we have to apply inversion at each and every level. Not only at the output, but also at each input level. Not only at the output, but also at each input level applying the inversion. In this way, the output, what are we going to get here is A, B, A bar into B bar, whole bar is equal to A plus B. Fine, it is OR expression, I think. So, AND in negative is acting like OR. Similarly, OR in negative will act like AND. Previously, you felt AND inversion NAND is negative logic. No. AND negative logic is OR. OR negative logic is AND. Similarly, let us see how the NAND negative logic reacts. And here is the NAND gate. As you all know well. Now, why don't you apply negative NAND? So, A, B, and it is AB bar. Now, if I make negative NAND, is it not this? Inverter, inverter, output. Already there is an inverter, one more inversion. Inversion not only to the output, but also at input level, each and every input level. And if it is done so, you get like this one. So, apply the variable values here. And if it is A, if it is B, and Y. Y is equal to simple A bar into B bar. According to De Morgan theorem, A plus B bar. Is it not NOR? Yes, it is. So, NAND is acting like NOR in negative logic. So, AND is acting like OR is acting like AND, NAND is acting like NOR is acting like NAND. Similarly, XOR will be XNOR will be XOR. Finally, negative logic doesn't mean it is simple inversion. It is inversion not only to the output, but also at every input level. If you apply that logic, and these are the outputs derived. Now, let us look into the question. What he's asking in the question, what could be the answer? As we all seen, negative logic of capital alphabet A. But in none of these examples we discussed. Finally, come across to conclude negative logic as AND will act as OR will act as AND will act as NOR will act as NAND, 0 will act as 1 will act as 0, exclusive OR as exclusive NOR as exclusive OR. Then, what about A? Capital alphabet A as the question given. And here, one more boundary condition to solve the questions related to negative logic. Negative logic is not applicable for undeclared variables like A, B, C, alpha, beta, gamma, theta, alpha bar, beta bar, A bar. The variable whose value is not declared, it could be 0 or 1, where negative logic will not be applicable for that. A remains as A bar remains as A bar, alpha remains as alpha, beta remains as beta. In that case, the answer for this question, A remains as A in negative. And which option is suitable? I hope option B is suitable option for this question. But we never guessed. So we thought, as the question given, negative logic means a simple inversion, and we immediately said A to A bar as negative. But the originality and the conceptual background is inversion not only to the output, but also at each input level is called as negative logic. Like how competitive questions will always have some inner logic in it and the twist in it, or you could say some deep angle in it where you need to predict that what exactly. Questions may look very simple, but the logics and inner meanings are quite different, and you need to apply your real-time knowledge to answer these questions. Let us see a small example on this extension. Question number 2 on negative logic. Negative logic, why for the following. And here is a circuit given. So he is asking you to define negative logic why. Let us see the inputs now. Here it is AB, and here also AB, and here it is A. Yes, let us see what is negative logic equivalent of the circuit. There are two ways. One way, you can convert the complete circuit into negative logic equivalent and solve the output, and you get the answer. Other way, than wasting the time completely redrawing the circuit, reconverting the circuit, you can do this and now just get the positive logic output as it is, and then after getting the output, you can apply the negative logic to that and you'll get the same answer. You are sure to check out. So I repeat, so than completely redrawing the circuit of negative equivalent and find the answer, solve as it is, to the obtained output apply the negative logic and you get the same way the answer. Let us cross check. Now here is, it is A bar into B, it is AND gate, and here is A plus B bar, and here it is A bar. And what is this? A bar into B bar into A plus B bar, another input, NAND for this, right? And now let us solve this. Y is equal to A bar into B whole bar into A plus B bar whole bar, right? And here is XOR operation, right? Exclusive OR A bar. Now, let us solve this. A bar into B whole bar is A plus B bar. And here it is A plus B bar whole bar. Exclusive OR A bar. And here as if A plus B bar into A plus B bar is nothing but A plus B bar. A plus B bar whole bar exclusive OR A bar. And simple, it is A bar into B exclusive OR A bar. Then applying exclusive OR equation here, going mathematically, why don't we solve this through a tabular form? For a typical logical expression or the expression which is expected to be time taking, and it is always better apply the tabular form, get the answer in a faster way. Now let us see the tabular form method to get the answer for this question. Here is A, here is B, and here is A bar B, and here is Y. What is Y? As we all know well, it is A bar B into A bar. A bar B exclusive OR A bar. Now, apply the values. Zero, zero, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And get A bar B, 0 bar into 0, 0. 0 bar is 1 into 1, 1. 1 bar into 0, 0. And 1 bar into 1, 0. And I found A bar B as this answer. And then with A bar, make an XOR operation, right? With inversion of A, these two. Yes, 0 bar is 1, 1 exclusive OR 0, 1. 0 bar is 1, 1 exclusive OR 1, 0. 1 bar is 0, exclusive or 0? 0. 1 bar is 0, exclusive or 0? 0. I repeat, A bar exclusive or A bar B? That's what the answer why. A bar exclusive or A bar B? I found it. And this is the reply what you got. And according to Boolean algebra, you need to get the minterm. The minterm value of this is in the form of AB is A bar into B bar here. So Y is equal to A bar into B bar. Nothing but A plus B whole bar. NOR operation. It is shown the complete circuit, what is given here in negative logic, negative Y is nothing but a simple NOR gate. So here it is A, B, A plus B bar. If it is positive, it is NAND gate. If it is negative, it is NOR gate. And question may look a bit complicated. A lot of values involved and the gates are involved. But when you started solving, it has shown the simplest way of getting. Now, come back to speak. Whenever you want to solve the questions like this, A bar XOR with A bar B. Going mathematical may take some time as well as confusion. And then hence, I applied a tabular method. A, B, A bar B and Y. Why is A bar XOR with AB? I found it and I applied the minterm value and here we got the answer. In every competitive question, there'll be an insight. If you could find what exactly the insight, what the professor expectation from you to solve the question, and you would be quicker and you would be faster and sharper to solve the question in a better manner. Understanding the pulse of the question, the most important thing in the competitive examinations. Then applying the blind formula and fundamental, almost 70-80% of the questions in competitive exam are always logical. They want to check your logical skill. And one more thing, IIT, who's preparing a question paper, the top IIT in the stream of 7 IITs, doesn't want to check how many marks you get in GATE and want to check through this preparation how perfect you become in the subject of ECE and EEE so that you are most eligible, continue your higher education in the premium brand or get into a top PSU to work as a designer. So Government of India wanted to check eligibility as an engineer but not scoring only marks in the examination. So in every subject learning, always make sure, try to learn the insight of the concept and apply that. Applications, boundary levels, if and buts and all this are the ones to make you win in the competitive exams. Hence, I already quoted in my seminar that strategical preparation always makes you to be perfect in the competitive winning. Thank you.